Hi guys, my name is Katie or Kbdoesart, and today we're going to be texturing our TV. So a couple things I want to get through first. I want to select, I want to do the antennas first since they should be like super easy. So just go into face mode and just like click and drag and try and get like as many of the faces as possible. And then just kind of do like a final sweep through and make sure you didn't miss any of them. All right, and then let's assign a new material to them. Do shader, AI standard surface, and I'm gonna do like a gray, maybe like a metallic gray kind of look. So you can up the metalness on that. And then I think the rest of the TV, I guess I could do like a wood texture maybe, or maybe like a black texture would look cool. Let's see. I think I want to do metal knobs. So I'll just do that first of selecting these knobs and then texturing them the metallic that we just did. So assign an existing material and do it whatever that metal color was. So it looks like, I guess mine was 3. And then let's also texture this inside ring that metallic color. And then the rest of the TV, I think I'm gonna make like a brownish color, like a deep brown. I'm gonna leave out this part though. All right, I'm just kind of like holding tab and just like briefly selecting all of them. Sure, that works. And then I'm going to deselect the screen and deselect this metal ring, and then also deselect the metallic buttons that we just did because we don't want to make those guys the brown color since they're supposed to be the metallic color. All right, looking good. I'm going to assign a new material and do AI standard surface. And then I think I want to use a texture off of polyhaven.com. They've got some really fun wood textures, and they have this fun like plywood texture that I think we could use. So let's download that. You can do it in whatever it is. I'm going to do it in 1K. And then when you've got that downloaded, you're going to be plugging in the colors here. So let's click on File, and I'm going to locate that really quick. Let's see, plywood. And then let's see, the diffuse will go first, which make raw. And then next, make sure you're on the correct texture, number 4. We can do geometry, bump mapping, change it to tangent space normals, and then select the file, which would be the normal map. Oh, wrong one. Normal map. And then next one we can do would be diffuse, which we can put under diffuse roughness. There should be another roughness that we can do here under the specular one. There we go. Okay. So that should be all of the wood textures. And then go ahead and go to Arnold's and click on a sky dome light. And then you can click 7. And let's go to Arnold's render to see how that's turning out. I want to click, I want to get this wood texture. So go all the way to the end of that, find your wood texture, and then I'm gonna go to coat, and I'm just gonna make it like one of those like really deep wood colors. And then just turn that weight up. Maybe make it like a little more. Orangish red. There we go. Like that fun red color. I'm going to bring the roughness up just a tad. You can also bring the roughness up on, I think it's subsurface. Oh no, this is just a weight, yeah. Okay, that looks pretty good. I like the metallic. I'm going to make it like a little bit more metallic there. I want it to, there we go, diffuse a bit more. We'll make them a bit darker. There we go. Okay, and then for, you do the top. So you can just go through and select that. I think maybe I'll just make that like the brown color. So existing and just make it the brown. And then for this part, what I actually want to do is I want to make it like that cool, like test pattern rainbow that you sometimes see on TVs, especially old ones. Let me get a picture of it so you guys can see. Like this. That's what I want to do, is that cool, like, rainbowy effect. So just download any image off the internet, basically. If you're looking for copyright free, make sure you do that. And then you're just going to go ahead and select these inside faces. And we will hold right click, do assign new material, shader, and then add a file, and that file will be that image that you just downloaded. So let's see, this one. And then you might need to edit it, so go into UV editing and then change the texture to the there we go. Change the texture to be the rainbow one. And then let's select the UV shells. I wonder if it'll let me. Okay, let's just select these faces. Oh wait. Click on UV, like actual UV, and then hold tab and select all those UVs that we're going to be using in this rainbow image portion. And then I just usually click R and just like scale them up to go like that. And then let's see how it's looking on here. Kind of move them around. Scale them up a little bit more. All right. That's actually looking really cool. I like that. That is about it for that. So if you guys have any questions, that's our TV. This one was really fun and cute. Oh, also, I click on poly modeling and grab a plane, and then you can just like scale it up, assign a new material to it. Let's see, AI standard surface. I usually will give it the checker texture because I think it looks really cool. And then you can kind of see how your textures are playing with, you know, other things. So yeah, that's about it. If you guys have any questions, feel free to let me know. I will see you guys in our next tutorial. Bye guys!